Welcome to the Reverie Nightstand dashboard tutorial. In this video, you'll learn what the dashboard is and how it can be modified to make it your own. Some features may vary by model. The default dashboard comes preloaded with preset positions, along with adjustability and massage controls. The dashboard allows quick access to your favorite features. Customize it to include whatever you want, whether it's preset positions or your raise-to-wake alarm. You can rearrange, remove, and add additional settings to the dashboard by tapping the Edit Dashboard button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the Edit Dashboard screen. Only checkmarked items will appear on the dashboard. Let's add the comfort setting feature to the dashboard by tapping the empty circle. We want it to be easy to see, so we'll put it at the top of our dashboard. Tap and hold the rearrange icon to select a dashboard item, then just drag and drop it wherever you'd like. Be sure to save any changes or the dashboard will revert to its original layout. To add a comfort setting you've created, tap the Edit icon to open the Edit Comfort Settings screen, and then select what you'd like to appear on the dashboard. You can add your routines and alarms the same way. To create your own comfort setting, go to the preset screen and tap the plus symbol in the top right corner, or watch the Creating a Comfort Setting tutorial to learn more. That's the basics of it. Get comfortable and start customizing the dashboard however you'd like. For further assistance, contact us or check out the full list of tutorials under the Help section under Settings.